Right, welcome to today's video. I'm doing this one a bit earlier because I'm going to a card show on Saturday, so I won't be able to do the video then. So, now, this is Glam Toys. These are the rare ones I bought. I mentioned last week. Okay, some good stuff here actually. So, there's a hard one to get. Swift Coach number 554. I have seen these over £100 ago. I can't pay that kind of money for something so simple. Managed to find this one a few months ago. Buy it now, £25. I could not miss it. And it's in better condition than most of the ones that come up. Oh, I've only ever actually seen one other anyway, so Swift Coach there. Now, you remember when I showed you the broken steamroller? With no roller? Guess what? A couple of days later, I found one with the roller, missing the funnel. Isn't that weird? So that's the one I got with the wooden front roller. I think this is number 526. You place the funnel. That's the funnel that was on the other one that I had with the missing roller. So there we go. That's alright, isn't it? And then, I think it was about a week later, I found the same steamroller, but in a different colour. All complete. For much the same price as I paid for this one. So this one has the red boiler and the green rear wheels with the green funnel. This one has the green boiler with the red rear wheels and the red funnel. So there you go. And that was the same price as I paid for the other one. So that's good, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. And the front roller turns, you see, like this. Doesn't go all the way around because it only goes halfway. But that's how that is. See? The roller's made of wood. Okay. And then, now, here we go, a bit more interesting. Well, as if that wasn't interesting. Now, Glam Toys started in 1935, okay? So, yeah. The first thing they produced was this frog clicker. Okay? There we go, that's how that is. So this was available in 3 sizes. I've never seen one come up before. This cost £7.50. If I see any other ones, I'll just get the measurements of the other ones I see. I'll know which one I have, won't I? Because I have no idea what size that is. It just says British made on it there at the bottom. That's all it consists of, not much. But it makes a noise, listen. It's loud, isn't it? I think that's good. Anyway, so that's the first thing they ever brought out from 1935. And the last thing they ever brought out from 1953 is this rather cool Queen's Coronation diorama. June 1953. There it is. Coronation. ER written at the top. And what this does, it has this thing. Let's get this in the middle. Right, we'll wind it through. Now you've got all these regiments passing by. Hang on, it's quite hard. Which way does it go? This way, I think. There you go. So there's the musicians on horseback. Then I think this is the Royal Air Force, because it looks like it is. Okay. Then we have the Navy there. They look like they're Navy to me. Then we have the bearskin men that stand guard outside Buckingham Palace. I had to restore this because it came off one end of the rollers. Then we have this Scottish bandsman here. Okay. Then we have this horse. I can't quite see what's going on the horse, to be honest. I don't know. They look like, well, they look like quite high ranking, whoever they are. Okay. Then we have the yeomen, or beefeaters, as they're known. And then we have the coronation coach there. And it says coronation of Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth II. Okay. And then we have the horses that are pulling the coach there. Okay. And then there's a lot of horses, you see. And then we have the household cavalry at the beginning there. Hang on, it's got stuck. Oh. Yep, household cavalry. And then right at the end we have the national anthem. There we go. God save our gracious Queen. Of course, now it's God save our gracious King, isn't it? And that's that. That's all paper inside there. So, very fragile. Not a good idea to wind this through too many times. You know, it's just not, you know, is it really? So yeah, there we go. 1953 that is. And there you go. So that's the film for this week. And what will I do next week? I don't know. Well, I don't know. Probably next week you can see some films from the car show. Probably. Okay. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye.